In mechanical engineering at TU, we do lots of hands-on projects. I give lots and lots of tours to prospective students and other visitors, and I think a lot of them are surprised by the breadth and the depth of the facilities that we have for students to do project work.
This is the Mechanical Engineering Projects Lab. It's just a big, one fun, creative space.
It's a popular place. Yeah, you can tell we struggle to keep it clean because there's so many students working in there all the time.
Ultimately, this is like the perfect place to work on any project, and it's been extremely helpful and utilized very well, but specifically by our team, who's spent about 2,000 hours in here this year. I have never been more encouraged as a woman in the field here. There is a home for everybody here in the mechanical engineering program, and I stand by that wholeheartedly. Like, your career is what you make of it, and the University of Tulsa has provided me the absolute perfect opportunity to figure out where I want to go in life.
But we're small enough that we can assign lots of project work to our students, and I think in the long run it definitely makes for a better engineer. It makes for a better product going out the door with an engineer's diploma.
Welcome to the McElroy Prototyping Lab, or the Machine Shop. Here we help research groups make parts, or we help classes such as the Make a Difference in Engineering class if they need parts made. And we also have some engineering classes in here, including the freshman lab.
We have students who run this facility and help the students make their parts, make sure that everyone's being safe.
I think this space is very helpful. It helps students understand the importance of what it takes to machine parts, and it helps with the design factor of it too, and just being able to help underclassmen is really special to me.
This is the PH lab. It's brand new at TU. You can see behind me, it's a whole bunch of different 3D printers that all the students have access to. They submit their jobs. The jobs get printed out here, and usually the turnaround is pretty fast. The study space out here has proven to be very popular. There's places for them to have meetings where they can close the door. And it's really transformed the lower level of this building.
Welcome to the Hurricane Rocketry Lab in Stevenson Hall.
The Hurricane Rocketry Club is a student-led organization here at TU where we compete in an international competition. And a really amazing thing about our club is that our organization is almost entirely freshmen. So when you come to TU, you can immediately begin to start doing senior design level work. It's a crazy cool opportunity.
So the University of Tulsa has provided so much for us. We had professors who believed in us, and they provided us with all the money we needed to compete. They provided us with a project space where we could assemble our rockets without any worries. And this year, they provided us this lab.
We'd love to show you what we do. You can watch this video, but it's much better if you see it in person. I always recommend, if you're visiting a school, talk to the students that are already there. Ask them about what it's like to work on projects at TU. What kind of support do they get? What kind of facilities do we have? Those kinds of practical questions that come up when you're doing project work.